What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to show you guys why the golden hour, that first hour candle, is so significant. Whether you are a scalper or a little bit of a longer hold day trader, right? And I'm going to get into that in just a minute. Again, my name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. I run a community and mentorship program where I have courses as well as live trading each and every single day, provide my watch list, so forth and so forth. I trade options as well as futures for various different prop firms. Now, what we're going to be looking at here is the NASDAQ 100. Phenomenal run. This is, again, I believe the third, fourth, even consecutive day coming off of the floor. Essentially, everything that we did last week, we kind of chewed that up, right? So I believe last week we were down 5.5%, 6% on the NASDAQ. We've completely reclaimed all of those losses and actually look pretty strong going forward. But just to get into the title of this video, that golden hour, right? So a lot of times, especially with the guys that I'm working with in Evolution Traders, I try to really get them, right? Really get the traders that I'm working with to focus on stocks or indexes that have potential based on the daily time frame and also that first hour opening range, okay? So we're coming into the day today a little bit bull biased. We're a little bit long-sided biased just based on the close yesterday and what we've been doing. Now, what I want you guys to focus on here is within that first 30 minutes of the market being open, that's when your first hour candle is going to close. Our first hour candle put in a high at 15,139.65 on the NAS, okay? So there's two ways to go about this. If you're a scalper, what you're looking for is that first breakthrough, okay? So again, notice here how on 655, which is right before that hour candle is going to close, we put in this high and then we immediately pull back. Okay, we immediately pull back. Now, understand what type of trader you are, whether you're a little bit of a longer time frame holder, which meaning you're looking for a little bit of a longer play, a little bit of a bigger play that might take a little bit longer to develop, or are you a scalper? If you're a scalper, you need to have it set in stone in your trading plan. Are you looking for 5 points on the NAS? Are you looking for 10? Are you looking for 15? Are you looking for 20? Again, I really wouldn't try to push it too much farther than 20 if you're just that quick in and out scalper. But I want to show you why that first hour candle is so significant. So when we put in the opening range, we kind of analyze the price action. Are we a little bit more bullish or are we a little bit more bearish? In this particular case today, we are more bullish. We pushed off of the 5:30 a.m. candle, put in a high, kind of consolidated in the pre-market, and then we put in that new high. So what I want you guys to kind of focus on here is look at what happens. Look at what happens when we break that opening hours highs. 15,139 shoots all the way up to a price of 15,164. Again, if you're looking to take 5, 10, 15 points, there's your one and done trade, you're out. Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, it pulled all the way back. Yes, but also remember what I'm saying. A trader who's a scalper is just looking for a quick 5 to 7. They're just looking for a quick 10 points. You're going to get in, you're going to get those points, you're going to get out, and then you're going to reevaluate the situation and look for the next setup, okay? Now, let's say, for example, you're a trader that wants to kind of wait for a little bit more confirmation. Maybe you have a little bit more patience. Maybe you're looking for the bigger overall trending day move. That first hour candle is so significant because what needs to happen is as soon as we put in that first hour's highs at 15,139, what you are waiting for is for that level to get broken. Boom. And instead of taking the scalp position, you're going to let the pivot get broken. You're going to let the new high be put in, and then you're going to put a new line, new price level line, AKA entry, at this new high. So the new high becomes 15,163. All you're doing for now is you're sitting back. And the only thing you're waiting for all day is for that new high over that first golden hour to get confirmed. That gets confirmed at 9:15 Pacific Standard Time. 9:15 Pacific Standard Time, we get that break of 15,163, and we go on a 5, 10, 15, 20-minute move all the way up to a price of 15,194. So you can see that this is a 30-point move off of those highs that were put in, okay? Now, again, if you're looking for more of the move, look at where this pulls back to. We consolidate sideways, we pull back into, isn't it surprising, that golden hour's new high. As we start to hold this area, as long as we really don't start closing below and start confirming on the way down, breaking this uptrend, we can have some confidence to kind of hold and look at where we trade up to a price of 15,228. So I want you guys to all pay attention to the opening hour, pay attention to the first 30 minutes, pay attention to, are you a scalper where you're looking to take the quick 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points, or are you looking for the bigger move? And that bigger move gets broken when we break through the opening hour's highs, assuming we have potential, put in a new high, and that new high, whenever it gets triggered, sometimes it doesn't always get triggered. If it doesn't get triggered, there's no trade. But in this particular case, at 9:15, we get triggered to get into our potential long position, and we run. If you guys want to trade with me and you want to get access to the mentorship and the community, make sure you join the link down in the description box below. I had 3 spots open yesterday. I'm down to 2. So again, it's first come, first serve. If you would like to be a part of the community, you would like to get access to the mentorship and inside the Discord with all of the chats and the live trading, I've got 2 spots remaining. I'm almost 100% sure that these spots are going to be taken before the end of the weekend. So definitely act fast because I'm going to double the price as soon as I fill these 2 spots. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.